Hello all, welcome back to another AvePoint bite-sized tutorial. Today it is all about AgentPulse, and in this video we're going to go over how to connect all of your different agents and tenants to AvePoint Online Services to connect to AgentPulse. Before we use AgentPulse, we want to make sure that we add all of our agent sources. To do so, we're going to go from the main Confidence Platform menu, and we're going to hit AgentPulse Connections. At the top, we're going to hit Add Agent Source. And then you're going to select the source that you're bringing the agent in from. For all three of these, we want to make sure that we have the tenant connected. If you haven't connected your tenant, we have individualized videos for each tenant connection type. Please make sure to do those steps. Microsoft will ask you for what type of agent you'd like to bring in. Salesforce, we have to make sure the Salesforce app package is installed. For Google, once you select your Google tenant, it'll ask for the profile, admin account, Google service account, and the private key. This will all be related in the create custom Google app video that was created. If you haven't done that step yet, please watch that video. That'll be the same information that you're putting into here. Once these have connected, they'll appear here in your AgentPulse connections, and then you'll be able to click on your command centers and be taken to AgentPulse.
Continue your learning journey. Scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions on AvePoint Learn. And for more practical tips and product walkthroughs, subscribe to our YouTube channel.